Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, and today I'll be showing you how to make this extremely cool Minecraft baby sheep from Perler Beads. The first part of the sheep is going to be, of course, the face. Also, here I'll be assembling the whole head so that you don't mess up the pieces. Now, I am going to be assembling the panel that'll be holding the face to the head of our sheep. Here are the three pieces that are going to be holding the face into that panel, which I just showed you, which is the nose and both eyes. Here is the top of our sheep's head, and here is the side. Make sure to make two of these pieces. And now we've made one, and here's the second one. Right now, this is the bottom of the sheep's head, basically the sheep's chin. And here is the sheep's back of the head. Once you've made all the pieces required to make the head, it's time to put the set together. So first we're going to take the front panel, which is going to hold the face in place, and we're going to take all of these 2x3s. Now we're going to take the face and align the holes, making sure that these two beads are at the bottom, like so. Next, we're going to take this 2x3 with these pink beads at the top, and we just put them into the aligned holes, like so. And then making sure that these 2x3 black beads, these black beads are facing out, we put them into the remaining holes, right here, and into the same hole, but on the other side of the sheep's face, like so. Now we're going to take the side of the head, and making sure that these double beads are at the bottom, we put them into the side, and then we're just going to repeat the process on the other side, like so. Next, we're going to take the top of the sheep's head, and we're just going to slide it in, making sure that these two beads are facing the front, like so. Make sure it clicks to ensure a good fit. Now we're going to put in the back of the head, which when we flip it over, making sure that this narrower area is at the front, we put it in, like so. And now we're going to just take the bottom, and making sure that this flat piece is facing the back, we put it in. Now the sheep's head is finished. Time to move on to the next pieces. Now we're going to be assembling the sheep's body. Here is the top of it. Make sure to pause the video right now to copy down my design. Now we're assembling the side of the sheep's body, make two because they go on either side of the sheep. Now for the second one, and both of them are ironed. Here I am making the front and back of the sheep's body. Make sure to make two of them. Here I'm assembling the bottom of the sheep's body, and time to put them together. Once you've made all of the pieces required to make the body of our sheep, it's time to put it all together as well as at the head. So first, you're going to need to take both of the side panels and the bottom panel. Now we're going to take the side panels and making sure that this is the back with the 3 beads and the front with the 2 beads. We place in this bottom panel with the double bead horn resembling thingies, and we just put them into these 1, 2, and 3 holes, like so. Now we're going to have to repeat the step with the other panel, like so. Now we're going to take the front panel, and we're just going to put it on top, making sure that these 2 horns, which are sticking out on either side, are at the front. We're going to have to put in the front panel, which is really similar to the back panel, but the front panel just goes inside the head. Now we're just going to take the exact same piece and put it onto the back, like so. Now the body of our sheep and the head are finished. Once you've made the body and the head of our sheep, it's time to put both of them together. So we're going to have to take out both of the head's side panels and the back panel. So now we're just going to put this stuff aside, but we're going to need to stay with these sheep's side panels. Now, making sure that this piece, like so, is facing the front, these double beads, we're going to put them into this hole right here and in the same place, but on the other side of the sheep. It doesn't matter right now if it's wobbly. Now we're going to take the back of the sheep's head and making sure that this big flat piece is at the bottom, we're going to put them into right here, like so. And now we're just going to reapply the sheep's head. So first we're just going to snap on the top, then the face, and then of course we're just going to put in the bottom. Now the sheep is almost done. For the last parts of the sheep, here I'm assembling the connectors for the legs. Basically this means that they connect the legs to the main body of the sheep. Here are the inner legs. Also keep in mind that this project uses 1,000 beads altogether, about. Here are the outside legs. And make sure you iron all the pieces on both sides. Once you've made the sheep, assembled it, and all of these pieces that are there to complete the legs, we have to put them onto the sheep. So first, we're going to take these TI resembling pieces and making sure that this 2x3 piece is at the top. We're going to put it right here and holding it with one finger, we're going to take one of these 2x3s and stick it into here. Next, we're going to take it around and we're going to put in another 2x3 right as we did. Now you're going to need to repeat it on all of the other legs. Make sure that these 2x3s are outside. So we're just going to take it, put it on like so. Then we just have to flip it over and realign everything and finish off the legs. And now for the last outer leg, we put it in right here. And now the outer legs are finished. We only have to add in these inner legs. Of course, as I said inner, you're going to have to do it exactly as I did for the 2x3s outside, but these are just 1x3s inside. So we're going to take it and we're going to put it in, making sure to complete a 3x3 square at the bottom of the legs. Then we're just going to take it and repeat it on the other side of the sheep, also making sure that the dark brown beads are at the bottom, like so. And for the last leg, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed building this sheep with me. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and also I'll leave a link to Cutie Crafts sheep, which is an add-on. And anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.